Hello, Cookie Monster here. Today, me going to be playing Guess the Animals, and this time we do medium. See this arrow pointing to medium. Okay. Before we start, you say that COVID's so much fun, but no at school. Uh-oh, me need to fart so bad. You two don't demonetize me, please. No. Ooh, Miara, you're not feeling well. Okay. Turkey. Chicken. Pig. Cow. Deer. Ooh, so easy. Dog. Shrimp. Dove. Goat. Llama. Oh wait, me got it. Yes. Fish. Okay. Let's see. It's goose.
Isaac, levántate. Mira, tienes otro zapato, me imagino. Esto está bien mojado.
Horse.
Lo voy a meter a secar ahorita.
Crab. Sheep. No baby sheep. Oh, baby sheep. Lamb. Oh, what this? Bull. Ox. Rabbit. Duck. A a a stuffed duck. Yes. Me love this stuffed duck. It's so cute and yellow. Oh my god. B. Finally, sheep. Me so disappointed. It'd be me so right now. Okay, me should do better of this, right? Pike. Turtle. Seal. Octopus. Shark. This is going so much better. Prawn. What this? Me me know what that is. Me don't know. But answer, teacher. me no was about to get that. Me was thinking about the rainbow trout. No trout. Me was wrong. Whale, sturgeon, seahorse. Me no sturgeons. Lobster. Oh. Okay. Alright, me don't know what that is. Okay. Weird fish with orange cheeks. That literally what me looking up. Well, that know it. That none of that is what me am currently looking for. Maybe it no called. That perch? Yes, is that a perch? Yes. Yes. Okay. So single perch. Yes, me just really randomly remember that. Okay. Me recommended to tell you guys the truth here. Alligator, right? Yes. Okay, me have no idea what that is either. Me see Tetra though, and we know that's sometime. Is that crab? Oh my god. Siamese fighting fish? Siamese fighting fish. Beta, that very ugly name. Me sorry. Me no know what that. Me should know this. Me know perch and sturgeon, but know this. Wait. Crab. Yes, crab. Me should have known that too. Tetra. Oh. Trout. The only one me knew was Tetra. Okay, birds. Starling. Cockatiel. No, cockatoo. Oh yeah, cockatoo. Cockatoo, whatever. Rooster. Okay. Duck. Oh, me misspelled it. Alright. Me should get most of these. Parrot. Sandpiper. Kestrel. Now, birds or something. Me very good at. No, kite. Nightingale. Now me no can spell. Me literally like to spell. Lovebird. Okay, me can just say that. Mina. Oh my god. Okay, eagle. Oh, okay. Bald eagle then? Oh, yes. See me teach eagle and bald eagle. Me genius. Owl. Raven. Oh no, me have to spell it correctly. Me dumb. Macaw. Oh, short. Macaw versus parrot. Oh, woodpecker. Yes. No. Robin. Wait, can we do this? Yes. Okay, yes. No? Oh, mythical. Okay, seagull. Insects. Wait, we on hard now. So this the end of the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Tell me how you would have done, or if you baffled at me knowing some of these. Me think we just saw me see beetle, snake fly, green fly. Which one are you? Me don't know. But this is insects. Next we on to hard and a B. Any other concern? You've been hovering above the flowers. So yes, leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to Sesame Street. And with that, me hope you'll have a perfect day. And me, Cookie Monster, signing out.
Check out this cool episode here.
Hello, me, Cookie Monster. Today, me going to be playing, guess the animals. And apparently there are